Welcome to a journey of self-sufficiency. Today, we're exploring the transformative self-sufficient backyard program designed just for you, our cherished audience. Imagine your backyard as a sustainable oasis, a testament to self-sufficiency. This program, more than a concept, is a lifestyle. Join us as we guide you through it, exclusively available on our official website. Why make this shift? Picture a life less dependent on industrialization, more connected to the earth. Meet Ron and Johanna with 40-plus years in sustainable agriculture. Their success stories shape this program, your gateway to a sustainable lifestyle. Key perk: cost savings. Grow your own food for financial freedom. Embrace organic farming, transforming your backyard into a source of quality produce. Environmental impact: by growing your own food, you reduce the carbon footprint. Say no to pesticides and harmful chemicals. It's not just about the environment. It's a healthier, more active lifestyle. Our program goes beyond inspiration. It's a comprehensive guide covering plant cultivation, soil management, animal care, and more. The step-by-step plan ensures successful execution. Real talk: it demands time, effort, and dedication. Ask yourself if you're ready for this transformation. If yes, our flexible purchase options await with a 60-day money-back guarantee. Worried about commitment? We stand by our program. If unsatisfied within 60 days, we'll gladly refund your investment. Instructional videos and tutorials await, backed by our support team and vibrant community. Exclusively available on our official website, the link is in the description. Drop your questions below, and let's embark on this transformative journey together. Thanks for joining us. May your backyard blossom into a haven of self-sufficiency. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and happy cultivating until next time.